Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho and whether you can use it as your main bank account. Koho is a Canadian fintech company that offers a prepaid MasterCard and a mobile app. It's not a bank, but it partners with a federally regulated financial institution to hold your money. The accounts have many features you'd expect from a traditional bank, but with some key differences. So, can you use Koho as your main account? For many people, the answer is yes. You can set up direct deposit for your paycheck, pay bills, and use the card for everyday purchases. Koho also offers features that many traditional banks don't, like earning cash back on purchases and earning a high interest rate on your entire balance, including the money you plan to spend. It can also help you build your credit history. Plus, many of its plans have no or low monthly fees. However, there are some limitations to consider. Koho doesn't offer physical branches, so all your banking is done through the app. You also can't write or deposit paper checks. There may be daily limits on transactions, withdrawals, and the total amount you can hold in your account. While you can use Koho for many things, you might still need a traditional bank account for certain services like getting a mortgage, a car loan, or other complex banking needs. In summary, Koho can be a great option for a primary account if you're comfortable with digital-only banking and don't need services like in-person tellers or paper checks. It offers many benefits that can help you save and manage your money more effectively. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.